Hello everyone, today is Brochure tour time, and we are looking at the 1995 Dodge Ram pickup. Alright, as you can see, pretty busy front cover. Front facing on a farm area, got a saddle, fifth wheel towing, two-tone club cab, and your frame. Alright, there we go. The front spread showed the Ram in all its glory. The most revolutionary pickup in the 90s, especially styling wise. Looked like nothing else on the road, had that big rig look. And here in the same area we have the rear two-tone red with the silver lower portions here. This is a long brochure here because this is a prestige brochure at the launch of the Ram itself. Here's the interior. These interiors are actually really comfortable. They're very roomy. The seats were comfortable. They're supportive. They didn't offer leather in the initial period. It wasn't until 1997 or something like that where they offered, when they had the integrated seat belts. Very Spartan dash though. Not much to speak of here. You had your steering wheel with the airbag. That was a big deal. A lot of trucks in the 90s didn't have airbags and weren't required to have them until later. And it shows full instrumentation. You have your climate controls, radio, all that kind of stuff. They touted that this could be an office on wheels, and it surely was. I mean, it had a huge center console, and even Rams to this day are still known for their gigantic center consoles. This one depicts here a cell phone, a laptop, and all that kind of stuff. You've also got a bunch of drinks, a big huge drink, and a coffee cup, mat, all kinds of stuff. Underneath the seats, it just basically showed that this is a very versatile truck, which is really funny. Here's the light driftwood seats, and then over here you have the blue, very basic work truck grade cloth and vinyl. A bunch of different behind the seat storage options too. Very cool. And there you go, the first pickup truck to offer a standard driver's side airbag in the 90s. And there's the dash layout, and of course these are glossy, so my overhead light is kind of glaring, and I apologize for that. But you have the big two-spoke steering wheel with the airbag in the middle. You got your horn buttons on the side. Down here are your cruise controls, light switch and dimming switch for the instrument cluster, full gauge package, climate controls with large knobs. You also had your overdrive button here, cup holders that slid out, power point, cigarette lighter that also doubled as a power point, big air vent, radio here, more air vents. Nice upper level storage, a trend that still continues in the Rams to this day. The 8-liter V10. Not a very well known option in these trucks, but man, the 2500, 3500s had it. And of course you had a V10 powered dually, two-tone red and black, towing a V10 powered Viper. Very fitting. These things are torque monsters too. 450 pound-feet of torque at 2400 RPM. The rest of the engine family here. There is a lot of different engines available. So you had the 8-liter V10, the 5.9 Cummins. You had your automatic transmissions here. 5.9 liter V8, 5.2 liter V8, 3.9 liter V6. The poster child, spread across 4 pages. Just a nice looking truck, especially those chrome wheels. SLT Laramie trim. Of course, it was Truck of the Year award winner. The Ram Sport. Single cab, shown in black. Had the red Sport logo back here. Chrome wheels, fog lamps, body color grille, black mirrors. This truck was cool. They also had a red Sport as well that had the red, had black mirrors, but it had the red grille and the fog lights. It monochromatic it just looked really, really good. I also like this two-tone here, the Silver Star and the Emerald Green. This is back during the Tread Lightly campaign. I think it's still going on. They don't really advertise it as much. Here's a 3500 dual rear wheel towing a backhoe. And your crew light, or your lights there, cargo lights. This is how versatile the bed was. Had tie down cleats. You can also spread some 2x4 planks across to make flat loads. All the dimensions and things of that nature. Bed dimensions, everything. You have your approach angle, you have your ramp breakover, departure angle, wheelbase, overall length, overall height, things of that nature. Bed width, bed height, bed length. Here we go. A 4-wheel drive frame with the 8-liter on it, the V10. I think I skipped a page. It's an old brochure, so I think some pages are sticking. Okay, here we go. Alright, quality assurance, showing the 7-step paint process, and a look into the factory. Robotic welders welding the pieces together, especially for the firewall and things like that. Alright, here we go. Interior and exterior trim. So here's all of our exterior colors, from claret red all the way to bright white. Then over here you have your interior colors: driftwood, crimson, slate blue, and quartz. Notice the absence of black. Here is all your seating configurations and all of your options and things of that nature. Here is the sport appearance group here: heavy duty service group, trailer tow group, snowplow prep group, your light group, travel convenience group. Lots of different groups. And then here's the 3 ways that you can have two-tone treatment. Lower brake two-tone, you had the center band, and then you had your waterfall, which is just the top of the cab and the hood. Alright, a couple more pages to go here. Dually, towing a horse trailer. Powertrain combinations up here. Here's all of our different power band graphs here for all the different engines. Mopar accessories. When everybody wanted CD players. This is a 6-disc CD changer. It had the remote. You couldn't even operate it from the radio. You had to have this in-cab remote. That was pretty typical, though. Here's a family of everybody. And that is it. That concludes our brochure tour of the 1995 Dodge Ram. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and our Instagram channel at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.